Hi guys, very good evening. This is Anil Maurya and you are watching my YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So guys, let's get started on this video. This is a very helpful and for today actually I'm gonna to teach speak English without anyone. So guys, this is my channel. This is for you, the very important guys. So I just came at home right now because actually I don't have more time for making video on YouTube channel, but actually I have been thinking since morning because I will make video today on YouTube channel. So guys, you are very interested to learn English, so you can speak very easy and you can learn and more a lots option you the speak English. This is my native language, but actually I don't know about any things to how to speak English and how to improve your communication skill and at home without anyone. Guys, do one thing. You are very interested in English, so do one things and please go alone place, right? Got it? Go to the alone place and surrounding no anybody for the disturb you, right? And you can speak English and properly, and you should practice whatever you have vocabularies and grammar without without anyone. So guys, let's get started. And this video, this is a very important for you, and please listen to me the I speech English at home right now, because actually I don't know anything else to how to improve your communication skill. But if you want to interested English language and you can enhance vocabularies, grammars and vocals sorry so my mic fell down on the ground. Actually this is not his phone and everything, right? So because, hey guys, actually I am not teacher, I am not anything, and only as a friend only. So actually I want to suggest you guys, you are you are beginner. I know that. So everyone beginners, you are learning English and improving English. You want to the improving English and these days, but you don't have any environment and no friend. Don't worry guys, I will tell you everything how to speak English without anyone and environment. To do one things, whatever you have vocabularies, and you should practice and every day. Whatever, actually I know that you have a lots option for the speak English, but you when I do start your English, so suddenly stuck. Actually you are not able to speak English properly, so actually suddenly the confused, actually you are not speak very well. Actually you look there around front, so somebody is looking at me. Actually I will not speak English. Don't worry and don't panic guys. So my dear friends, my dear learners, please most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English with Anil. So guys, very interested, you know that. So because actually these days I am also learning English and improving, because actually I have determined, please I will speak and regular guys, I will teach, I will read English newspaper and enhance vocabularies. Whatever I have experience, I will share in this video. Please listen to be careful. And if you want to improve your English, and you should practice from today, don't promise other day, because whatever you have vocabularies and you should practice and every day, and tutti frutti, no problems, and don't care anything else. So guys, do one thing, because I am beginner, but actually I'm learning English. I just came. I tell you about me. I would like to tell you about me because I just came from my duty at home right now, because I don't have more time for the make video and vocabularies and grammar and enhance collected is from well in this. But actually, whenever I get chance, so I make video and vocabularies and fumbling and collecting and anything else. So guys, you should practice, and from today, and I know that you are very interested for the learn English, but you are asking yourself, so why you are not in the speak English in properly? What is the main reason, guys? You don't practice every day. Actually, you should practice more a lot time. You should given the more times for the practice and every day, because after that you will speak and properly and without anyone. So I know that you are the panic, and it has been the to be the afraid to anyone when you starting your English. But actually I'm suddenly, actually I don't know, but actually I'm very interested, just like, and practice at home. So behind a lot of things inside. This is behind the water tanks, the fridge, and put onto the mirror, and you can see the mirror, and there the here my daughter's playing the game at home right now, because I speak to my daughter. Actually my daughter is learning English. My daughter name is Aradhya Maurya, and she is doing reading the UKG. Actually her school name you Choturam Public School. She is very interested to learn English. I will teach her and every day, and you can speak, guys, regular basis. I hope that you will understand my suggestion. So thank you, guys. So how is this liked my video and my experience sharing, and in this video, please guys, please comment in below. So I hope that you are very interested, you have to understand your language. But guys, I'm very excited to be here right now, because actually this video it has the very long. So we will meet you the next video. Please make sure watch my video till in, and please comment in the below and a little bit. Okay guys, we will meet you the next video. Bye, good night, bye bye guys, love you.